Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 26th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I mean, I'm definitely still extremely bullish. I mean, there's no reason to say that this move down right here is really a reversal. I mean, it would be nice if this did go down and end the way B and start like a 3 to 6 month downtrend, but there really is no proof of that yet. And it definitely could push up to the 138, and it could even push beyond that if it really wants to. The trend is up on the daily and on the weekly. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I've been saying that we might get a couple shorts though, because we definitely did get a breakdown. This is definitely impulsive. This right here is definitely looking corrective. So if we get a break to the downside at one of these last two Fibonacci levels, then definitely take it as a short. It should either go down and make a C, which would look like this, and continue back up, or it could possibly even turn into a big old giant wave 3 if this right here really is some kind of a top on the daily, weekly time frame. But it's not just because we're at a fib level, it's the break of structure to the downside at a fib level that should get you short. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.